Hello everyone, this is Acharya Madhu, and in my last video I had discussed about basics of palmistry, and in this video I am going to talk about the introduction of numerology. So we are going to learn about numerology. So what is numerology? Numerology is basically the science of numbers. With the help of numbers, we can increase the positive vibrations in our life and decrease the negative vibrations from our life. Numerology is that kind of universal language or vibrations through which universe gives us signs and symbols. So guys, if you want to take the advantage of numerology and you want to know how it works, so you need to have your date of birth in hand, and with the help of an example, I'll make you understand how it works. So I have taken one date of birth, 5th June 1972. Now we will come to know how to calculate the basic number and destiny number from this date of birth. So first we'll understand what is the basic number and how to calculate it. So I have taken an example, 5th June 1972. So 5 is the basic number in this DOB. The date on which you were born is your basic number. So what basic number represents? Basic number represents your nature, the way you are and how you manage people and situations. For example, the basic number indicates if a person is rude, shrewd, soft, warm or lovable. So that way basic number represents your personality. So what is the destiny number? Destiny number is the total of your full date of birth included this century. For example, in this date of birth, I'll show you. If we calculate 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 9 plus 7 plus 2, it comes to 3. The total number comes to 3. So this is your destiny number. So what destiny number represents? It basically defines your ultimate destination, what you have to be in life. For example, the situations run in your life leads to you to ultimate destination, what you are going to be in life when your lessons are learned. Before going into detail, I would like to give you a brief introduction about each number, like 1 to 9 numbers, so that you will be able to understand more perfectly how numerology works and how we can take advantage of this beautiful science. Let's start with the attributes of 1 to 9 numbers. So first we'll start with number 1. Numerology number 1. People who are born on the dates 1, 10, 19 and 28 of the month represents numerology number 1. The planet given to this number is Sun, and the color given to this number is orange and golden. The positive traits of this number are they have a king-like personality, they are confident, they are authoritative. Obviously अगर king है तो authoritative तो होगा ही. They have immense potential. They have inborn leadership qualities. Then name, fame and success. They get name, fame and success. Ready to conquer. They are always ready to take an action, and they have a good administrative skills. If you look at the shape of number 1, it's look like absolutely straight, strong and non bendable, non flexible, because आप देखेंगे कि इसमें कोई curve नहीं है, तो these people are non bendable. Then comes if we connect with nature. अब अगर हम इसे nature से connect करते हैं तो इसमें आपको दिखेगा कि it's just like a seed, एक बीज है जिसमें कि immense potential है to become a tree from a seed. So if we connect it with Ayurveda, it comes in the category of Rajasic number. So what is Rajasic means? This number or personality is ego driven, active, passionate about getting the name and fame and recognition. So if we talk about remedies of this number, there are so many remedies to activate the number 1. Like you can chant mantras related to this planet, and you can keep yantra with you. You can wear a stone. If we connect it with relation, it represents our father. So you should get daily your father's blessings. And then you can offer water to the sun because it represents sun also. And as per Vastu, it represents east direction. So you can place a brass sun in the east. In modern era, you can keep number 1 as your password also if it suits you, it suits with your other numbers. So if we connect it with chakras, the spiritual body, which are in the form of glands in our physical body, we connect number 1 with root chakra. So there are remedies to activate our root chakra as well, like we can chant its seed mantra. There are salts with essential oils to activate each chakra. There are specific yoga poses to activate these. So we can do so many types of remedies to improve the vibrations of our basic number or destiny number. It depends किसको क्या सूट करता है, उसी के accordingly remedies डिज़ाइन की जाती हैं. You know, in this difficult time of pandemic, I have tried to create remedies which will help in improving our health as well. I have connected it with nature. So what I feel, it is very difficult to talk about everything in detail in this short video. So if you want to learn in deep, you can join this numerology course. You can learn the art of numbers and also how to activate your numbers naturally as well. So it is a 2 weeks course in which you will learn A to Z of numerology, and we'll discuss all the details at the end of the video, what are the other contents of this course. So this was just a demo how we will learn the science of numbers with logic. You need not to memorize everything. Numerology number 2. People who are born on the dates 2, 11, 20th or 29th of the month represents numerology number 2. The planet given to this number is moon and the color is white. The positive traits of this number are, it has all the qualities of a queen, highly creative, they are very creative people, caring, emotional, warm, soft, humble in nature. They have all the motherly qualities and they have a very attractive aura. If you look at the shape of number 2, basically it looks like that someone is kneeling down. If we connect it with nature, this is the stage of splitting when seed converts into 2 parts. If we talk about the negative traits of this number, those are like exactly opposite of the positive one. The moon is the fastest moving planet, so it leads to fast mood swings, and people having number 2 in their basics or destiny number are usually seen as attention seekers also. If we connect it with Ayurveda, it depends where it falls, like like in Satvik, Rajasic or Tamasic personality, because it is the number of attachment. So ये मोह का नंबर है, so it depends कि they can do anything in emotions. So it depends कि ये कहाँ पे fall करते हैं, किस कैटेगरी में fall करेंगे. As far as remedies are concerned, again we can do so many remedies in this number also, like it represents mother, so we can have mother's blessings daily, and other remedies like we can take help of mantras, yantras, stones, vastu, chakras, yoga poses to increase the vibration of this number, and which is you can learn only in the course in detail. As I said that it is very difficult to cover up everything in this short video. Numerology number 3. People who are born on the dates 3, 12, 21 and 30th of the month represents numerology number 3. The planet given to this number is Jupiter and the color is yellow. Positive traits of this number are, these people are highly spiritual, if positive. So make a note of this. You will generally see them working as a consultant. They have guru kind of energy. They have this inborn quality of guiding people. They are jovial by nature. They keep high moral values. They become teacher, preacher. Basically, they are knowledge seekers. If number 3 is positive, they get right gurus and their blessings in life. If you look at the shape of number 3, it looks like half of 8, which is completion cycle. However, 3 is open from one side and it feels like continuously receiving and releasing new ideas. So the negative traits of number 3 are exactly opposite of the positive ones, and if number 3 is negative, then they will show off of the spirituality. So if we connect it with Ayurveda, the number 3 comes in the Sattvic category. what does sattvic category means? They have the divine qualities which helps them going towards the God, and it means like qualities which gives love, generosity, higher wisdom, knowledge, intelligence, love and forgiveness. And if we connect number 3 with nature, the like with the stage of a tree, it is the stage when the sprout is coming out from the seed. So as far as remedies are concerned, we can discuss some of the remedies, not all the remedies in this small video. Since Jupiter represents Guru energy, so if you get your Gurus or teachers blessings, it will help you in activating number 3. And also by following the path of spirituality, you can have this energy of number 3. You can wear stone related to this number. You can chant mantras. In Vastu, the planet Jupiter represents the northeast direction. So the northeast direction, should be neat and clean, and there should not be toilet or kitchen. The secret of numerology is any number starts activating when you start implementing its positive traits in your life, and when you start avoiding its negative traits from your life. Numerology number 4. People who are born on the dates 4, 13, 22 and 31st of the month represents numerology number 4. Then comes planet. Number 4 is governed by planet Rahu, which is a shadowy planet. Then comes color. Color is black. So the attributes of these numbers are, these people are very structured. Being a shadowy planet, they are full of illusions. They believe in materialistic wealth. They are extravagance. These people are very secretive in nature. They do not like to share their plans with the whole world. They are good architect, designer, artist and good researchers. So the negative traits of these numbers are the exactly opposite of the positive ones. They will be confused or addicted to anything if they are behaving negative. If you look at the shape of number 4, it doesn't have any curve. It's like a straight angle triangle standing on a stake, and this shape gives a feeling of balance and stability if it is in a positive state. And 4 also represents 4 sides of square and 4 seasons, 4 ages of human life. So as per Ayurveda, the number 4 comes in the tamasic category, and tamas is associated with darkness. So it is said that a tamasic person is concerned with the self, he is dissatisfied and he is materialistic. And if we connect it with nature, the stage of number 4 is when the tree starts growing and making angles. This is the stage of number 4. Some of the effective remedies for number 4 are, if you are number 4, you should avoid smoking and drinking, and keep your ancestors' photograph in the southwest direction of your house as per Vastu, and you can chant mantras of Rahu as well. Numerology number 5. People who are born on the dates 5, 14, 23 of the month represents numerology number 5, and the planet given to this number is Mercury and the color is green. The positive traits of number 5 are, it is the number of movement, money, business, communication. These people are very calculative. Traveling is good for them. Number 5 in numerology stands for quick intelligence, as other might take months to figure out something, but number 5 people can think in a day. People with number 5 work at the speed of light. If you look at this number, it has similar movability like number 3. However, the top portion of number 5 is not receptive like number 3. It is difficult to penetrate. So if we connect this number with Ayurveda, this number comes in the category of Rajasic Guna, which represents the quality of passion, activity, individualizing, driven and moving. So if we connect the stage of number 5 with nature, so ये वो स्टेज है जब एक पौधा स्पीड से बढ़ने लगता है, because the number 5 is the number of speed. The negative traits of this number are, they are exactly opposite of the positive ones. Due to their constant changing nature, they are not good in long term relationship or lifetime relationship. They feel restless and they lack of emotions. We can discuss some of the remedies of number 5. Like if you want to enhance number 5, watering the plant is a very good remedy for this number, especially tulsi plant. Then as per Vastu, you can place a picture of greenery, green painting in the north direction. And again, if you want to improve this number, you can chant mantras, can use yantras to enhance this number, and also can improve the vibration of this number by meditating the seed mantra of its related chakra. Numerology number 6. People who are born on the dates 6, 15, 24 of the month represents numerology number 6, and the planet given to this number is Venus, and the color is bright white. And the positive traits of this number are: this is the number of love and relationship. These people are generally seen as food and beauty lovers. These people are attractive, sensuous. They get all kind of luxury in life. Artist, actor, musicians, love grammar. So if we connect number 6 with Ayurveda, it carries tamasic gunas, and the number 6 comes in the tamasic category. Tamas is associated with darkness. It is said that a person with tamasic energies only concerned with self, and he is dissatisfied and he is materialistic. So if we connect number 6 with nature, तो ये वो स्टेज है एक पौधे में जब उसमें कली आने लगती है, फूल आने लगते हैं, एंड यू स्टार्ट सीइंग द ब्यूटी इन द प्लांट. Some of the negative traits of this number are, if you are facing problems in your relationship and you are feeling that there is lack of luxury, then your number 6 is giving you negative symptoms. Some effective remedies for this number are, like again you can chant mantras, you can keep yantras with you, and for enhancing this number you can also improve the vibrations of this number by meditating the seed yantra of its chakra. Then as per Vastu, you can keep goddess Lakshmi's picture in the southeast direction. Then comes if you use perfumes and fragrances, this is good for enhancing this number. Then comes maintain good relationship with your spouse. Numerology number 7. People who are born on the dates 7, 16, 25 of the month represents numerology number 7, and the color given to this number is grey or brown, and the planet is Ketu. The positive traits of this number are, number 7 is the number of logic. Usually they are knowledge seekers, thinkers, researchers, and they believe in spirituality also. Number 7 represents travel as well. This number is related to software industries, and they have scientific bent of mind. Number 7 is the number of moksha also. Although these people are very lucky people, whether number 7 is negative or not, travel will remain in both the cases. If you look at the shape of number 7, there is no curve, no shape. It has straight angles, and its shape shows certain amount of stability. So the other thing about number 7 is it is receptive, accepts and absorbs ideas, unlike number 3, whereas 3 is receiving and immediately giving away, but number 7 makes us seeker, thinker and researcher. If we connect number 7 with Ayurveda, this number comes in the category of Sattvic Guna. So I have already discussed in number 3 the characteristics of Sattvic person. If we connect it with nature, this is the stage now, like जब फूल खिल रहा है, बढ़ रहा है और फिर गिर रहा है, this is the stage of expression. This represents a philosophical side of nature. So negative traits of number 7 are sometimes they overthink, and they will go into depth of everything, and they will think very deeply. Sometimes it becomes their problem as well. So they should avoid that, and because of that they can have sleepless nights, and they can remain in anxiety also. So some of the effective remedies of number 7 are: take care of stray dogs. and you can place your ancestors pictures in the southwest direction of your house as per Vastu, and you should clean your you should keep your Brahmsthan neat and clean. Again, you can chant mantras and keep yantras of this number, and you can improve the vibration of this number by meditating the seed mantra of related to this chakra. Numerology number 8. People who are born on the dates 8, 17, 26 of the month represents numerology number 8, and the planet given to this number is Saturn, and the color is blue. The attributes of this number are: these people generally love perfection in each task. This number is the number of hardship. This is the number of karma. They are extremist. They get success in their later age. They usually face delays because Saturn is a slow planet. They can't see someone crying because they are sensitive in nature. If we connect this number with Ayurveda, we can't keep this number in any of the categories like Tamasic, Rajasic or Sattvic, because this number represents emotions also, like number 2, and sometimes the people having this number they can be lazy also, which is a Tamasic nature. If we look at the shape of number 8, it is equal circle at top and bottom, creating balance like a cycle. It indicates continuity and repetition. This means that what goes around comes back around. As you reap, shall you sow. So that is why this is the number of karma. Generally, this number is considered to be unlucky because it governs by Saturn. These people work hard as they face many obstacles in life. If we connect it with nature, ये वो स्टेज है जब फल पक गया है और अब ये गिरने वाला है, लेकिन अगर ये गिरता नहीं है तो इसे गिराना पड़ेगा. Some of the negative traits of this number are: they are extremist if negative. These people can harm themselves as well as others also. They are extremely sensitive if negative. Perfectionist but with poor time management. They are impatient also. Some effective remedies for this number are: they should avoid non-veg and alcohol, especially on Tuesday and Saturday. They can be a stone as well. Saturn represents labor, so we should avoid harassing the labor, and we should get blessings of old people. It will be beneficial for them. In case of any court case issue, place a painting of village scene in the west direction as per Vastu, and again you can chant mantras, can use yantras to enhance this number. Also can improve the vibrations of this number by meditating the seed mantra of its chakra. Numerology number 9. People who are born on the dates 9, 18, 27 of the month represents numerology number 9, and the color given to this number is red, and the planet is Mars. Attributes of this number are: these people are courageous, bold, sports lover, live for humanity, feel for masses. They can be seen in police, military, hospitality, can be surgeon also. They are spiritual. This is the number of Vellore. If we connect number 9 with Ayurveda, this is also a spiritual number. It shows sattvic gunas. And if you look at the shape of number 9, it is just opposite of number 6. The number 6 is known for self, whereas number 9 is always ready to serve to humanity. If we connect it with nature, now this is the stage when fruits again converts into seed, and the number 1 is the beginning of the cycle and number 9 is the end of the cycle. Some of the negative traits of this number are: there can be frequent fights with people if the number is negative, and they can be coward if it is behaving negative. Some of the effective remedies for this number are: avoid non-veg and alcohol, especially on Tuesday. Keep good relationship with your brother. Place a God Hanuman painting or statue in the south direction. Again, you can chant mantras, can use yantras to enhance this number. Also can improve the vibrations of this number by meditating the seed mantra of its related chakra. The next step is name number. Like in numerology, we have given an alphabet to each number and the subtotal of that alphabet creates a number. So that number represents our name number. So the important thing is that this name number should synchronize with the basic number and destiny number, and if it does not, then you will not get those benefits in your life which you could get easily. So there are methods to synchronize the same. This you will learn in the course in detail. Then comes to see the probabilities of future. There is a grid method in which you will learn how to calculate the dasha, and there is a method to learn the personal year number. With the help of these numbers, we can see our future possibilities. To make it more clear, for example, the date of birth which I had taken in the beginning of this video, 5th June 1972, in which the basic number is 5 and the destiny number is 3. So there is a method of prediction through which you can see the probabilities of future situation. Like for example, this person is already having number 5 as his basic number, 6 is the number of the month, 7 and 2 are his year of birth numbers, and his destiny number is 3. As I explained earlier also, we do total of our complete DOB included century. The subtotal of that number is called your destiny number. So we already have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 number in his DOB. So this person is already having these numbers attributes. So now this person is already having number 3 in his DOB, and if 1 also comes as dasha, so right now he is already having the influence of number 3. He is already known as a knowledgeable person. He can be a consultant, teacher, preacher. So after having number 1 as his dasha number, he will also get the authority in whatever profession he is, because the number 1 is of leadership, authority. He can get growth in his work. In numerology, the number 1 and 3 are friends, so it will give positive results to him. Same way, if he is already having number 5 in his DOB, so if we connect number 5 with number 4 as his year number, it will make the combination of 5 and 4 means Mercury and Rahu. So we'll predict the outcome of this combination, like number 5 is known for intelligence, money, communication, but if we combine this number with 4, which is a tamasic number, and this number gives confusion because number 4 represents Rahu, and Rahu is a shadowy planet, a materialistic one. It can make a person addict also. So this combination in numerology creates Bandhan Yoga, which is a negative yoga. The future possibility of this number, this combination, can lead to imprisonment and serious health issues also. Because of this combination, you can lose your intelligence and can cheat or can be cheated. So this number can make you addicted to anything, due to which there can be health issues, court cases as well. So that way we study the combination for future possibilities. So the main content of this course will be detailed study of 1 to 9 numbers. You will learn to enhance the vibrations of your basic and destiny number with the help of name number correction. You can see future possibilities with the help of dasha, your personal year number, and some special combinations of number. You will learn your friendly and enemy numbers so that you could use them to avoid hurdles in your life and for achieving success. Detailed remedies of each number to remove hurdles from your life. What your house number is giving you, and remedies to enhance the vibrations of your house with the help of numbers. The unique and beautiful part of this course will be, like, you will learn a new way of enhancing your numbers with the help of natural remedies by enhancing your numbers chakras with the help of yoga poses, meditation, by using essential oils and diet as well. So if you really want to learn this beautiful science of numbers and secret of numerology, then you join this 2 weeks course if you really want to transform your life. You can also learn my other courses like astrology, palmistry, tarot reading, vastu as well. So guys, if you liked my video, kindly subscribe my channel, and I would try to share some more knowledgeable video with you.